We're at Lake Como in Parana.
Spaghetti.
Oo, macaroni spaghetti.
Pretty straightforward eh, no? Yung 3. May 1 to 18, yun na talaga yun. Eh kasi babe, sa Japan daw, magulat na. Yeah, 4 people.
Su 4.
Alright,
Thank you.
let's see. We went to an outlet in Milan and this is what I bought for myself. So I didn't really buy a lot of things, but I enjoyed walking around and looking at the designer clothes and items. I did buy boots from Timberland, which were just 50 euros because I didn't listen to my sister when she told me to bring my snow boots, because the next day in Switzerland it was snowing, which you will see on the next vlog. Anyway, so this is what I bought on the designer outlet in MacArthur. It was around 1 hour 30 to 2 hour drive from Milan, and I love these so much. So I bought myself some, as you can see, it's a shoe. I actually don't know what they're called, but I love them and I find it so cute. Look at it. It's my favorite color too. So I got these for around, I'm guessing 400 euros minus tax refund, so worth it for me. I love them. So yeah, I love it. Bagay sa damit ko ngayon, yellow. And yes, we had enough space to bring the box back home. Dito na tayo.
Maganda dyan eh. Steak side.
Check natin. Pero upo na tayo. Kasi yung problema, grabe yung cobblestone, yung stones.
Oo, next side. Let's say may coffee dyan.
Pwede. So, check mo na? Ouch. Ay, layo. Pero yung ano kasi, yung Botanic Garden, yun yung buong view.
Ah, yan yung
Ay, uy, nakadelikado na ba? Ah, nakita ko to, babe.
Bakit tayo dito?
Ito yung ano eh, dinner lang.
Uy, excuse me.
We're at Lake Como in Varna. Whew, look how beautiful it is.
Wilbur. May sulat pa ng mga pangalan.
Oo nga, ang dami pa.
Pero maganda siya nga i-enjoy. Tahimik, may nag-chirp na birds.
May sound of the oceans. Charot.
Talagang ano eh.
Daming alam.
Parang peaceful talaga eh. Grabe din. Nakapunta yan.
Legit.
Ayan, tumatingin yan.
Pwede. Meet you at the top. Maganda ba picture? Ay,
Gusto mo ganyan?
pwede.
Frame ka nung poste.
Ay, nakabit i-press mo. Naka-record na din.
Parang ano, cold plunge yung feeling.
Lamig na ba?
Lamig na. 3 na.
Hindi tayo mag-ice plunge dito pero
Oh.
Ito na may ating park. Wow! Uy, kailangan ko boots. Kailangan natin ng boots.
Sana ang pag eh.
Ay!